Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD, and as you can see that Euro USD is right now trading at 0.9819. This is the current market price here, and there was some volatility yesterday when Euro USD went up and came down from the level of 0.9906. This was the high made by Euro USD yesterday. If you have watched my previous video, then we talked about this level as the second resistance of the market. So let's try to understand the important levels for the day. But before we proceed, I would like to take you to the economic calendar, and here you can see that news is coming up on euro. So after 3 hours 52 minutes, so when you'll be watching the video, immediately look at the economic calendar and see how much time left, because there will be some volatility on euro. Not only Euro USD, on every euro pair. Today, luckily, we do not have anything on the chart of, on DXY or US dollar. So first of all, market is approaching the yesterday's low here. Market is approaching the yesterday's low. So if market comes down to 0.9810 to 0.9800 level, observe the market first. Overall, we all know it very well that the overall trend of Euro USD is very much towards the downside, and as we all know that market has only one rule, that is follow the trend. So the trend of the Euro USD is very much bearish. Bearish means you must understand that this market is being dominated by sellers. If 100 traders are trading in this market right now, then at least 75 to 80 traders are on the sell side, and only 20 to 15 traders are on the buy side. So if you take side of the 20 traders, obviously your chance of win is very less. But on the other hand, if you take side of the 75 to 80 traders, obviously your chance of winning is higher. So it's always better to follow the trend of the market. So overall, the chart of Euro USD is towards the downside. What will happen during the news, I don't know. Nobody can predict what will happen during the news. If possible, try to avoid during the news, but overall market is towards the downside, so try to follow the trend. So if market comes down to this yesterday's low of 0.9810, 0.9800, observe the market first. If you see, or if you find market trying to take support and bouncing, listen to me carefully. If you see market trying to take support and bouncing, you can go for a small buy position as well. If you see the market is forming a hammer kind of a pattern, price is being rejected from below, you get the confirmation that yes, buyers in the market are somehow trying to breathe a little. Buyers in the market are somehow trying to take some support. So as a result, you can take a buy position. You can expect a profit of at least 25 to 40 pips. Okay. If market takes support, it should give you a profit of 25 to 40 pips. But in case if you see that market is standing at the yesterday's low, but the selling pressure is too high, in that case you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still dominating, sellers are very angry, sellers are very aggressive. In that case, do not go for buy position. This is the main difference between a gambler and a trader. A gambler trades whenever he feels to trade, but a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So if the selling pressure continues, and if you see the market is breaking 0.9800 with good amount of volume, means big fat red candle, you get the confirmation that okay, market is going down again, and you can go for a sell position. You can take the additional confirmation from DXY. Okay, you can take, if you see that DXY has formed a big green candle, you get the additional confirmation that okay, market is under pressure again. And on the other hand, if market goes up from here, then the first level you need to watch is 0.9860. This is the first level for the market, 0.9860 to 0.9865. This is the first level or first resistance, you can also say. When market will be going up, observe the market in this level. Why we are considering this level? Because this is the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Usually Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level is not a very strong resistance or not a very strong support also. Okay, so usually we must be careful while dealing with the Fibonacci 23.6%. So when market will be hitting this level here, observe the market again. Okay, observe the market. If you see that, okay, there is not much volatility in the market, market is slow, market is dull, market is stagnant. Okay, in that case, you can expect the market to reverse from this level. If market reverses, market forming a shooting star kind of a pattern or a bearish engulfing pattern or any good price rejection from above will give you the confirmation that okay, market is about to reverse. And obviously the trend of the market is also very much towards the downside. So sell on rise, as discussed yesterday, sell on rise is the best trading strategy. You can go for a sell position, okay, at this level. This is your first resistance. But in case market breaks it, because this is the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, not a very strong one, then your second important resistance will be 0.9900. okay, if market goes up and reverses from this level, you can easily go for a sell if market breaks this level. Okay, but if market breaks this level also, don't do anything, just avoid it, because the trend of the market is telling a different story. In case market breaks also, okay, then things will be very, very critical, risky, so it's better to avoid. Okay. Sell, keep in mind, sell on rise. Okay, whenever you see a market condition like this, whether it is Euro USD or GBP USD, sell on rise is the best trading strategy. Okay, if market breaks it, you can go for a sell. If you see the market is breaking the support with good amount of volume, then only. Okay, so whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, but you should not be losing your full capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect your hard-earned money. Okay, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye.